In this video, I am going to do unboxing, setup and review of IKEA sit and stand gaming table. Let's jump into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Unbox and Beyond, and my name is Srini. This channel is all about the first impression and overview of the product. So I have recently purchased a sit and stand desk from IKEA. So this particular table is specially targeted to the people who are mostly into gaming. However, as it is a sit and stand desk and very good for ergonomic, so that's the reason I have bought this table. And I have bought this table for my work purpose, and also this table can be shared between my family members. So the height of the table can be adjusted from 72 centimeters to 120 centimeters. And the tabletop size is 140 centimeters. However, this also can be extended to 180 centimeters. So friends, overall this particular desk for the price of €300 is worth it. And it can handle a maximum load of 70 kilos. Well, I have just purchased the desk and I just did the setup. I hope you like the video. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing, setup and the review. First, let's see what's inside the box. The gaming desk comes in two different sections, tabletop and underframe. The underframe has two boxes. Box 1, instruction manual, motorized legs, plus electronic parts. In box 2, you have legs and some supporting frame. You can see all the parts in this short clip. Now before you start the setup or the assembly, I would highly recommend to go through the instruction manual a couple of times. Now follow the guide as per the instruction manual step by step. And the first and important thing is to build the underframe as per the instruction. Remember, your tabletop size is 140 or 180 centimeter and you have to adjust the underframe accordingly. Once the frame is ready, it is now time for fixing the electrical units. It is straightforward. Just follow the manual and give the connection accordingly. Before attaching the underframe with the tabletop, better to test it. Here you go. I am now checking the up and down movement for my desk. And once I am satisfied, now it is time to open the tabletop. The tabletop which I got is of 140 centimeter and it comes with a solid black color.
The build quality is good and also it looks heavy and sturdy. The tabletop comes with predefined holes and it is easy to connect to the underframe. So simply fix the screw and you are ready. It took me almost 3 hours to assemble the desk, and that's because I was using a normal screwdriver. If you have a power screwdriver, the assembly is even faster. The entire underframe is made up of metal, which makes it strong and sturdy. And the look and feel also matches the gaming vibe. I especially like the color black. And now your high performance gaming desk is ready for high performance gaming. Remember to customize the height presets, refer the instruction manual for specific instructions. And if you encounter any issues with the height adjustment, refer to the manual or contact IKEA customer service.
Well, from my point of view, I feel in the price of 300 euro, this particular sit and stand table is worth it. The reason because it comes with a strong and sturdy underframe. The tabletop is also quite heavy, and also which I like, it has a set of pre-settings where you can store the settings of different heights. It comes with a USB-A charging point. You can connect any devices for charging, and you don't need to run around for USB ports. So friends, that's all in this video, and I hope you like the video, and also this video help you to make some decision. I have also done setup and review of couple of other sit and stand desks. I'll share the link in the description below. So that's all in this video. Do let me know in comment section if you're using this particular desk and what are your thoughts. And also make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I will see you in the next video.